A reading for Carl Butler entitled An Hour in the Garden. Sat in the garden, surrounded by green, barefoot in the meadow grass, with daisies between my toes. A haven for butterflies, birds and the bees. I can just hear a buzzing sound up in the eaves. The sentries are posted, the workers are out. Leave them alone. There's nothing to worry about. My robins are nesting in the bamboo again. Soon a new clutch of my red-breasted friends. Blackbirds and sparrows, great tits and a thrush. Sat amongst nature can be such a rush. The pigeons are cooing. I hear the crows caw. I'm watching a magpie and wishing for one more. After all this joyful, serenely divine, just wish I could spend a little more time. The weather is perfect. The zephyr is fresh. A bit of a bite though, should you be nesh. A woodpecker knocked almost at my front door. Sat in this haven, these days I adore. Savour these moments whenever I can. My name's Father Nature, a tree-hugging fan.